Number 6. The ZeroWater Official Replacement Filter is a high-quality product that delivers on its promises. Made from durable plastic, this filter boasts product dimensions of 3.75D into 3.75W into 7H and an item weight of 1.3 pounds. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is its external testing certifications from IAPMO and ANSI, which speaks to its quality and reliability. For consumers concerned about the quality of their drinking water, this replacement filter offers a range of benefits. It effectively removes odor, reduces chlorine, reduces total dissolved solids, TDS, removes lead, and reduces per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, ensuring that users can enjoy cleaner, healthier water. Overall, the ZeroWater Official Replacement Filter is an essential investment for individuals who prioritize the quality and safety of their drinking water. With its impressive features and certifications,